derived from the word sandurot, meaning to converge or to come together. The festival beautifully reflects the very essence of today's gathering. People from different places united by a common purpose. So as we officially begin this meaningful event, let us be welcomed in a true Dumagueteño spirit through a lively cultural presentation that embodies joy, unity, heritage, and fellowship. Gentlemen and ladies, please give your warmest applause to the Sandurot Festival of the city of Dumaguete. Once again, Durut Festival of Dumaguete City. Thank you very much. Why won't we give them a big round of applause again, ladies and gentlemen. The Bureau of Local Government Finance has been